this is what the regulator looks like. Looks like a perfect match.
Yeah.
I always like to film all this stuff just so I can. Yeah, it looks like it's gonna work. I just gotta take it. All right, so here's the problem. Here's where it went wrong with the regulator, and you see it's all worn out in there. And I think a combination of the heat and everything, but this thing is totally gone. So the motor is still good. So we're gonna retain the motor. Hopefully this little plastic piece will just come off and it'll hook up with this. And let me show you exactly what I'm talking about. All right, so here's what a healthy window regulator looks like. So this will go like that, or I don't know. We're gonna figure that out in a minute. Oh, actually, I've got it the wrong way. It's gonna go this way. Yeah, because this is a speaker right there. You see, I've got it upside down right now. This is what we're looking at right now.
Right.
So yeah, this will go right in here like that. The only thing I'm concerned about are the teeth. I gotta clean this up and see what's going on. It's worth the risk, even though the part couldn't be verified through Amazon. It ended up being the perfect fit for this one here. So old one on the left, of course, as you can tell, and the new one is on the right. There was a question of whether or not I needed to even get another motor, but as you can see, the teeth here on this motor, or the gears, are not stripped. The plastic gears here are worn out and stripped away. So it is necessary to also buy the motor along with the window regulator.
I don't see whether we'd be missing anything. Put in.
It's very slow to go up though, which is kind of weird. All right, the job is done.